Special Assistant Attorney General Mike Phillips is asking to push pause on the case before the District Court of Guam challenging the island's marriage laws.
The request is just to stay the legal proceedings.
That case was filed by Loretta Pangilinan and Kathleen Aguero. The longtime same-sex couple was denied an opportunity to file for a marriage license at Public Health on April 8th. Days later, they filed a suit in the district court against Governor Eddie Calvo and Vital Statistics Registrar Carolyn Garrido. With the U.S. Supreme Court expected to issue a ruling on whether the Constitution gives same-sex couples the right to marry, Phillips, who's been appointed to represent Governor Calvo and Garrido, writes, quote, "History is on the verge of being significantly shaped once more, and proceeding with this case before the Supreme Court has had a chance to opine would be a waste of judicial and party resources," end quote.
I think most people concede that whichever way the Supreme Court goes, it's going to bring finality, or at least for a long time, resolution to the current debate.
But instead of a pause, the plaintiffs' attorneys argue the government should follow the October ruling from the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals in Latta versus Otter, which held that state bans on marriages by persons of the same gender are unconstitutional. Attorney Todd Thompson.
The law is clear. The facts are undisputed. There's absolutely no reason, they didn't give us any reason why we should hold off, except for the Supreme Court might issue a ruling in 2 months that might say one thing or the other. That's all they've said. They don't even say that they oppose marriage for same-sex couples. They really don't have much to fight with. There really isn't much that they're saying to us. There really is no reason why this lawsuit should continue. This should be a done deal.
Attorney Phillips, however, says it's not.
In this case, there is no such order for either our local legislation, nor is there a ruling or an order that involves the governor of Guam. And so to ask that he, for example, behave in a certain way, because we know that the courts or the Ninth Circuit has ordered other states to behave in one way when they've been named as parties and have worked their way all the way up to the Ninth Circuit, is something that's just not going to happen.